Imagine a planet where winds whip around the equator at speeds 130 times faster than the strongest hurricanes on Earth. This is the reality on WASP 127b, a gas giant exoplanet located over 500 light-years away from Earth. WASP 27b is a gas giant slightly larger than Jupiter, but with only a fraction of its mass, making it a puffy planet. It orbits a star similar to our Sun, and takes only 4.2 days to complete one orbit. Recently, astronomers using the Very Large Telescope in Shelly discovered that WASP 27b has extremely powerful winds blasting around its equator. These winds reach speeds of up to 20,500 miles per hour, making them the fastest jet streams ever measured on a planet. Astronomers used a technique called spectroscopy to study the light from WASP 127b star as it passed through the planet's atmosphere. This allowed them to measure the composition of the atmosphere and the speed of the winds. The discovery of these supersonic winds on WASP 127b provides valuable insights into the weather patterns and atmospheric dynamics of gas giants. WASP 27b is a hot Jupiter, meaning it is a gas giant that orbits very close to its star. WASP 27b is tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet always faces its star. WASP 187b has a temperature difference between its day and night sides, suggesting that it has complex weather patterns. In conclusion, the discovery of supersonic winds on WASP 127b is a reminder of the incredible diversity and complexity of exoplanets. It also highlights the importance of continued research to explore these distant worlds and learn more about the universe. If you like this content, please support this channel by making a donation or buying a product through the links mentioned in the description.